Xfce terminal. Where is the terminal? Do I have to? Oh, wait, whoa, chill. Hello, and here's what we're doing today. Welcome back to another video. We're installing every single desktop environment because one is boring and I don't want to just use one. I want to install every single one of them and use all of them at once. And let's see what happens. Like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment on what is your desktop environment. Now that we are all caught up, let's get right into it. But in case you didn't catch any of that, we're installing every single desktop environment, and by every single one, I mean every single one. Here are the ground rules. We are not getting the window manager. That's for another day. But we are getting every single desktop environment. So the command should look something like this. We can do sudo pacman syu. Let's just update the system first in case everything goes to hell from this point. So there you go. We can do sudo pacman s, and then first GNOME, then Plasma, and I'll get the absolute basic version. Desktop. You know what? I have a list for this. Let's do cd desktop. And then bat, I did install this, bat, and then /de text. There we go. This is the list of every single desktop environment that is out there, or at least the one that's still running. So, yep, let's make the command. So, you know what? Let's get the full Plasma experience. Xfce, LXQt, and then LXDE, cinnamon. This is gonna be so scuffed. Wait, Budgie, Deepin, UKUI. How do I install it? Do I just type in UKUI? Pantheon, Enlightenment, Sugar, Trinity, CDE, and there's also one called Qt. I think this should be it. Let's hit enter. Okay, GNOME is here. What is this? I don't know. Just yeah, whatever. Okay, Xfce is not found. I think Xfce is called Xfce 4, I think. Let's see. Okay, Xfce 4. LXQt, LXDE, Mate, Budgie, Deepin, UKUI, Pantheon, and okay, Sugar is not found. So Sugar is, I mistyped it. That's something. Oh, so here's what happened. I think Trinity Desktop and CDE are Yay exclusive, so I can get that. And Qtfish, I think, is available. So yeah, these are the ones we're getting. This should be nice too. Let's see what happens. Let's hit enter. We are going to this. Like everything is going to be destroyed. I mean, sure. Okay. I mean, let's try that again. I'll just hit enter for everything. Muter is in conflict. So what is it conflicting with? I think it's conflicting with Deepin, maybe. Because I think GNOME is already installed. It is a bit complicated than I thought. RNS. Okay. Muter is in conflict. What is this muter thing? Can I skip this? Is it good fish? Can I just... Okay, where is this muter thing? I don't see it. Let's see if it conflicts again. Can I just remove GNOME from this, and if everything works? Nope, not work. If I remove Budgie, keep GNOME? Nope. If I remove cinnamon, Pantheon? Okay, so I think Pantheon was the one causing the issue. So let's go back here, and then if I just remove Pantheon, does this work? Oh yeah, it is working. It's wow. It's a 1.7 gigabytes download and 5.4 gigabytes of just pure desktop environment. And I'll see you after this is done installing. Then we can check out what it looks like. I'll just go with SDDM as the login manager. So that should be fun. Okay, everything is installed. Now we just get a display manager. Now it is a little bit of a scientific experiment. I want to see how each desktop environment handles like having this much like software and things applied to them, and how much system memory or system RAM they use, maybe how much strain they put in the system. So first let's get a login manager, then we can do a kind of like a basic -s. I'll go with SDDM as it's kind of a good middle ground. Yep. Apparently it was installed. Well, sudo pacman-s, wrong command, sudo systemctl enable --now stdm. Let us hope for the best. I'm so excited for this. Okay, we have SDDM. By default, it's on Plasma 11. If we click this, yep, everything is installed. Is this everything? It seems not too much. Okay, since the default is Plasma, we'll go with Plasma. Let's just open up Plasma and let's see what we're doing. Okay. Chill. Everything chill. Okay, we're in Plasma. So skip. How? Whoa. That's funky behavior. What the heck? Why is it here? Okay, as for applications, I think most of these are GNOME applications. Yeah, Nemo is, I think, for what is Nemo? I don't know. It's also, yeah, okay, this file manager looks nice. Maybe for KDE, but sure. Let me first get a terminal. If I type in terminal, what do I get? Okay, we have Xfce terminal, Qt terminal, LX terminal, console, terminal reference, and I think KDE one is called console. That should be also installed. Console. Oh, console is not installed. That's nice. Let me type in terminal. Okay, let's go with Q terminal. What is this? Whoa, this is funky. Anyway, I think I have Hstop installed. Hstop. Okay, so we are using about 897 megabytes of RAM and 42 megabytes of swap memory. I don't know about swap memories. The CPUs are decent, so they are not too strains. And yes, I will check them at idle. So what they're taking when they're not doing too much. And other than that, and this thing, whatever this happened here, it looks okay, fairly good. Yes, I want to exit. So let's move on to the next one. So I think I can log out. Let's see what happens next. Let's go from the top. Okay, Cinnamon on Wayland. I think we can check on different types of Xorg Cinnamon. Let's go from the top. Let's see what happens. Now let's just log in. Okay. This is interesting. First, let me go to display settings and make this bigger. Keep changes. Okay. This looks okay. This looks kind of funky. If I go to customize, icon size I can customize. Okay. What else can I do? Open in terminal. Which terminal is opening? I don't know. Okay, at least this is okay. Fine. What is this? I think this is the file manager. What file manager is this? Is this Nautilus? I think this is Nautilus. Looks like Nautilus. Feels like it too. Maybe I can check properties. Never mind. I can't figure it out. Anyway, so Nautilus, and then why is there no? Okay, change desktop background. Let's change the wallpaper. Why is it only that big? That's the thing that's messing with me. Why is it that big? Amber blobs? Oh, I think these are every wallpaper that is added. Okay, are this? Oh, this is 4090. Wait a minute. Let's go with chest. I mean, horizontal gradient. Does this actually add a gradient? That's weird. Okay, so for Cinnamon on Wayland, this is a weird. We have a little bit of wallpaper. Now let's see what happens if I open up a terminal. Let's go with you know what, let's use Q terminal because we are using it. Let's just keep using it. Let's do Htop, and it is, wait, it's more than KDE. It's like 970 megabytes. And wait, something's weird. This says I have 5 gigabytes of memory. And wait, let's check how much RAM did I give this system. Oh, okay. No. I remember. This is a dynamically scaling RAM, so I think it just picks up however much was available when I logged in. It's using 16 megabytes of swap. The system CPUs, I would say, bit more than KDE, but not that much. Although it is idling, so okay, that's good. Let's move on. Yes, I want to. What happens when I open our browser? Okay, so everything is normal except for the desktop environment itself. This is broken, and there is a lot here. Maybe I should use Cinnamon. Let's see which one is log out. Okay, this is log out. Let's log out. Now we are on Cinnamon. Oh, it's experimental, so that explains a bit. Enlightenment on Wayland. Let's see this. Okay, that's a nice intro screen. Okay, system default. English. Oh, keyboard English. Profile. Okay, there are tools with tiling and computer. We're not dealing with tiling this video. Select preferred size. I'll go with 1 for now. Focus whenever the mouse enters. Okay, I'll try this. I never tried this Enlightenment thing, but for now it is recognized. What is this? Conman service for network management support. So it doesn't have network. Okay, Bluesy for Bluetooth. Okay, so these are not installed. So I think we need to install them when we are actually using Enlightenment. So keep that in mind. But let's see what else happens here. Hardware installation, fine, we'll take it. And available updates checking, sure, why not? Enable taskbar. Okay, do what you gotta do. Whoa, okay. It has a wait. Right click doesn't work. Whoa, what? Okay, left click pulls up this menu, and I think right click is a click. Yeah, what? That's weird. How do I? Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, now left click. I'm confused. Virtual desktop screen setup. Virtual desktop. Okay, number of desktop. No, that's not what I want. Screen setup. Okay, here's the resolution. I want this. Apply. Okay, the animations are pretty good, but I don't like the fact that my clicks are inverted. Why is it when I do a left click, this menu pops up when it should be a right click? And is there a way to change it? Can I change this? No, what? Where is it? Settings. Sure. Can I make it big? How do I make this bigger? Okay, you can pull on it. And in here, okay, there's compositor. What is compositor? Everything focus in. This is a, I would say, pretty feature-packed environment. I think maybe we should check it like in depth in another video. But for now, we are going for the full chaos mode. Let's open up a terminal. Can I do Control Alt T to open up a terminal? That doesn't seem to work. And the window key doesn't work. What is this? Okay, this is, I think, the same menu. Okay, no, this is shelf. This is start. What am I looking at? I think this is the terminal. Okay, it's open the Xfce terminal. Where is the terminal? Do I have to? Oh, wait, whoa. Chill. I mean, okay, I clicked it. Wait, what? Whenever I open up a terminal, Xfce terminal, it breaks. That can't be good. Okay, application, accessories. Where can I find another desktop environment? Sorry, where can I find another terminal? Programming, graphics, others? No. Office? No. Yeah, actually, where is the other terminals? LXQt. Okay, there is one terminal emulator. Can I click this? It opens up the Xfce terminal and just breaks. Now what am I supposed to do? Start. Okay. Am I stuck here? No, I am not going out until I see this text, whatever the performance of this is. We have to find. Okay. Oh, I think yeah. System. That makes way. Q terminal. Sure, this works. Okay, so for applications, I think right click does the correct thing. I think it's the mouse over hover thing. Okay, anyway, whatever. Let's do it. Stop. Oh, it's only 400 megabytes. That's actually nice. You know what? I should turn off, I will turn off dynamic scaling because this is really messing with me. So let's do pause. Can I save and shut down? Okay, I can save it. So where is I can go to settings and as in memory. Okay, I can't disable it, so I need to turn it off. So give me a moment. Let me turn it off, and then I can actually just turn off dynamic memory, so we can have fixed memory size. There we go. That didn't take too long. It was on my other monitor, if you guys were wondering. Anyway, where were we? Okay, Enlightenment Wayland. Let's go. Oh, okay. So there is a window menu every time we get in here. Application, system tools. Let's go. Where did it go? Wait, this scaling is really weird as I can't see after. Anyway, you know what? We're using console. Oh, I think you cannot use multiple terminals. I just got lucky on the first try. LX terminal, does this work? Okay, this seems to work. And it crashes. Okay, LX terminal doesn't work. I think the only terminal that works is the Xfce terminal. Wait, let me see the system tools. No, I think Q terminal. That's the only thing that. Yeah, there you go. What the heck? This is so weird. Why is this happening? Anyway, there you go. Now let's do H-top. This is whoa. It's lagging. I think it's really not liking this. Okay. You know what? I just want a glimpse of it. Okay, so yeah, there's 7. I think it's 8 gigabytes. You just round it down anyway. So 350 CPU usage. Why is this core working so hard? What is happening here? It's just one core that's working so hard. If any of you know what this explanation for this, please let me know. But this is working really hard. Okay, 21%. Wow, what are you doing? Okay, it just calmed down. It's really interesting. That's fine. So we'll call it 360. 360. That's a good number. I want to log out. I want to get out of this system. This is so bad. Okay. Okay. Enlightenment of Wayland. Nightmare Fuel. Okay. GNOME Classic on Wayland. I think the first of few are just Wayland ones. So let's go here. Let us see what is happening. Screen lock. Did request known display manager. What display manager are we using? Why is everything white? What happened here? Okay, display settings I think I don't need because it just scaled it up. Okay, sure. Look at the amount of applications there are. Okay, I want to see this terminal situation. If I open LX terminal, does this work? Okay, it works in this. How about other one? Let's see, search for terminal. Xfce terminal. Yeah, I think it has something to do with Wayland, like Enlightenment on Wayland. So that's something. The more you know. Let us do H-top. 1.2 gigabytes. Bro, I'm not even doing anything. What are you doing? Wait, how do I... Okay, yeah, memory percentage. Click higher. Bro, it's just a GNOME shell. It's taking 5% of my memory and there is a lot of them. Whoa, okay. So GNOME takes a lot of RAM and system, CPU and stuff are relatively, like I would say, normal. There's like 101 tasks and 364. Why should I have checked, shouldn't I? Oh well, my editor me should just put a text or something in there. Anyway, okay, so this does use a lot of RAM. That's something. So now, I don't think we can do too much here, but I would like to explore it a bit because, well, it is the classic GNOME after all. I think calculators and stuff, everything is fine. I don't think GNOME breaks that much because GNOME is pretty robust when it comes to desktop. Oh, there was a stop right there. Anyway, it's pretty robust when it comes to like systems and stuff. So I do think out of all of them, this will probably be the most stable one. And also it's taking 1.2 gigabytes of RAM, so that's not a joke. Anywho, let's see what else is there. And it will be interesting to see like if like different compositors of Wayland XOR like they change depending on what we are using. So we got here. Now let's see GNOME Classic. What is the difference between on Wayland and just Wayland? I think they're the same. And what the heck? I think this all of them is same. You know what? Just to be safe, I'ma check in case I missed something. Okay, yeah, I think they are relatively the same thing. We go to settings, appearance. It is in dark mode. Why are you white as heck? And also the icons are different. Okay. Plus, if you are like finding this interesting like I am, please do like the video and also let me know if you would like a in-depth video on each of them or any of like I would really like to explore them like one by one. Obviously there is a lot, so if I wanted to make video like going deep into everything, it will take a while. Wait, I forgot to do H-top in this. If this is the same, I will probably not bother on the other ones because whoa, it went high. The 0 went high. This is relatively more active, I would say. Oh, okay. It's a bit more active. I don't know what it's doing. But it is relatively more active than the other ones. But yeah. You see, the CPU is working a bit harder. And memory is, okay, 1 gigabytes. It is pretty rock solid. But CPUs is jumping quite around. Okay. Wait, it went black. I think I went to GNOME. Yeah, I think I made that mistake. Let us check. Yeah, I went to GNOME on Wayland instead of GNOME Classic. But I don't feel like these two are same. You know what? No feeling alike. Let's just check this. It will take probably like 2 seconds to check. Let's just go here. Let me do H-top. GNOME is relatively like what? Why is it 420? It went up. It went to 420. There is 4 running tasks, 5 running tasks. It went to 86%. Is it because I'm constantly switching them? Is that causing it to be like that jumpy? That is also pretty interesting. So noted. Yeah. It's settling down now. So I think if I just jump the desktop environment for a while, they just spike a lot and then it just slowly settles down. Yeah, I see 1.04. So it's just basically 1 GB and everything is slowly settling down. You know what? Let me try this. Let me just quickly log out and get into another one. Let's just, I think we check this. Let's go on this and then, whoa, okay. Something's weird. The menu won't go away. Anyway, it should work. Okay, we're here. Quick. Fast. Okay. Yep. It went to 100%, 410 tasks and 1 running. So it's probably best that we like let it a bit. Yeah, rest a bit. Whoa, wait, 68%. Rest a bit before we check everything. But yeah, it settles down pretty well. But it does consistently take 1 GB of memory. That's not that great, but not bad actually. To be honest, it's not that bad. But I would assume that when we're like adding more things, like there is extensions for GNOME and wait, there's fingerprint password saying we can add fingerprint to this. Nice. I don't know what added this, but sure. Okay, this is interesting. Now let's see what other ones does. Let's just log out of this and GNOME Wayland, Plasma Wayland. This is basically just Xfce. I would say that this is basically just same as KDE, like the default Plasma. And why? Oh, this is configured now. It just looks like this. Wait. This just works. Why did the first one get so weird? That's it. So everything that has to do Wayland is, I would say, quite relatively working well. But wait, what is this welcome set? Okay, it's for KDE. There's browser, connections, multimedia. Okay, so everything is sorted here. Can I use the camera? Okay. Is there even a camera on my... I'm using a PC. Why would there be a camera on here? Anyway, let us go to HTOP. Can I just do from here? Okay, HTOP. Console is not found. That's nice. Q terminal. Okay, let's do HTOP here. Whoa, this is taking 1.2 GB. Now, is it because that we are running like other things that well? I don't think there are other things that are running. Okay. System D, Plasma. Yeah, it's mostly Plasma. And if I... Okay, where is memory? Okay, memory, if I do that... Yeah, Plasma shell is taking 7.8%. That is really interesting because I thought Plasma takes less than GNOME. Or it could be that we are loading up like every single shell. But no, it doesn't seem like they're on. I mean, wait, I think I just saw... Deepin. So that's interesting. But yeah, it does. It's like rock solid 1.2 GB. So I would just put that as its benchmark. It's in 1.2 GB. And there is 385 tasks, 350. What is this? Throughput? I don't know what this is. Is it threads? That's something. Yes, we want to go. And let's go other way. Log out now. Okay, Plasma Wayland, Xfce session Wayland. So let's do Xfce session Wayland. Whoa. It just got stuck. Everything is stuck. Nothing's loading in. Did I just break the system? Did Xfce just break it? Oh no. Yeah, I think it just died. So let me just power it off. So Xfce just died. That is pretty interesting. So Xfce, I think it didn't handle like that many things installed on it at once. Or maybe the Wayland is broken. Because we have another Xfce, I think, somewhere. Xfce. Yeah, there you go. We have another Xfce. So we can go there. Let's go just Cinnamon. Does this work? Okay, it does work. And yeah, this is working. So okay, so everything does work. I think we did check this. Did I check this? It feels so familiar but so foreign at the same time. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did do this. It was just a normal one. So let's go to terminal. Let me just open HTOP and we're at 100%. Anyway, no. This one is only using 978 megabytes. So it is like changing up the RAM as we move along. So that's interesting. So 980. So it is about 1 gigabytes, but it's not quite there. But we'll count everything. So we'll do. Okay, it's getting lower now. So 965. We'll call it 970. Yeah, we'll call it 970. CPU is fine. And as for anything else, I don't know what's happening here. Places, downloads, preferences. You know what? Please get this video to, I don't know, about 10 or 20 likes or something. And I will try to make a video on like maybe one or two of this desktop environment, like going in details on how everything works. Make sure, let me know if you want to see that. Like, I will be interested in trying some obscure ones. So we can log out and okay. Then we can go, what is this? Software rendering? Maybe this one doesn't use GPU, I would assume. Does this change anything? If I do htop, does it perform any differently? Okay, this uses a gigabyte of RAM. Can someone please tell me if I am doing anything wrong? But okay, the CPU usage is going up. So the CPU usage is going up and down, is really fluctuating a lot. Yeah, 11%. Does this have to do anything with the amount of desktop environment we are installed? Does it correspond to that, or is just this desktop right here? I don't know clearly, but something's clearly happening, which is letting the CPU to go haywire. Anyway, we'll just note it as okay. So it got down to 976. So 970 was correct for Cinnamon. So it's going 980, 970, 980. So that's closer to 1 gigabytes on most of them. Wait, what did I do? Oh my god, I lost it. I wanted to log out, get me out of here. I don't want to stay here. Now we go to Deepin. I think Deepin is closely related to GNOME. So whoa. There's an agent already exempt for the given subject. Okay, something went wrong and I think we are dead again. Okay, so we have two failures at this point, and why it fails, again, I do not know. Probably has nothing to do with me installing so many desktop environments. Some of the packages are conflicting. Definitely not. Something else is happening. Anyway, let me just turn it off and start again. I'm so glad we're doing this in a virtual machine. Obviously, no. Who in their sane mind will do this in their actual system? And then we have Deepin, we have Enlightenment. So this is probably different from Wayland. So let's see if this crashes that when I open up terminal. That's a good thing to check. So okay, it did boot up. Everything is there. Your display level doesn't compatible, installed forever. Falling back to software engine, you need to install cable GPU user. Oh, I think this is what messed me up, because wait, now does it work? Let me see. Console. Okay, console works. That's good. First, let me just make this bigger. Where is the settings? There you go. Screen setup. Give me 1920 by 1080. Apply. There we go. Now you have a big version. Make it bigger. So now let us see if the other terminals work. The first time it didn't go so well. Wait, this is Xfce terminal. Yeah. Okay, I clicked it. It opened. Okay, it is working. So I think that main issue was that my virtual system didn't have a GPU. So that's what caused it to crash a lot. So now if I do htop, yeah, it is working. And bro, whoa, it's only using 300 megabytes. I think that's a winner for now, because that is using the lowest amount of RAM. And what happened? Let's see. If I open Firefox, if I open a browser, how much does that change? Okay, it goes up to 700, 800. Let's go to Wikipedia. I don't know. If I open up a browser, okay, that doesn't change. If I open up another tab, whoa, this is pretty nice. Enlightenment is pretty nice. I won't say it's bad, so it's pretty good. So pretty efficient, I would say. Pretty efficient. So I don't think this will probably stress us too much. Let's go to YouTube, maybe? Okay, yeah. Whenever I go to YouTube, it does spike. So we have to use YouTube along with Firefox to get to the same RAM usage as KDE. Bro, it's going down. It is going down. Wow. And it needs 435 thingamajigs. I don't know what this is. Get to 1 gigabyte. So it's pretty efficient. Let's see. If I close this, does this pop up? Whoa, it pops down to 330. Okay. So Enlightenment, pretty nice. Okay, I'll give it to you. So for now, the top one is Enlightenment. It's pretty stable. So I think the first one was basically my mistake. So I will admit defeat on that. But wait, how can I go back? Let me see this thing. Can I wait a minute? I need to know. I have to know. Now if I do Xfce terminal, no, it still breaks. I don't know what's causing it, but it still breaks. So let me get out of here. Let us continue on. What are we missing now? We have, so we're Enlightenment. No, I don't want to. Oh, no, it's on XOR. Let's see if XOR changes things. So if XOR, I don't know, makes it more efficient, makes it more better. So if I do htop now, okay, so it's using 1 gigabyte. So I think what is it called? I think window manager. XORG is a window manager, right? So those don't really matter on how, like, what is the performance of the system itself or desktop environment itself. That just determines how everything is handled. That's how the windows are handled. So yeah, it is at 1 gigabytes. It is a tad bit lower, but I don't think it's too significant to change, but you know what, I'll just note it. Why not? So yeah, close. I don't think I'm doing it justice by just randomly closing it, but sure. Okay, so we have GNOME Classic, GNOME on XOR. Okay, just GNOME on XOR. Let's see what this does. And as we established before, the other versions do not contribute too much. If I do stop, yeah, it's about the same. 444 thingy-majigs, 1 gigabyte. And yeah, it's about it. So that's it. Yeah, I don't want to look at GNOME no more. I have looked way too much GNOME, and the fact that it installed that many at once, that's concerning. Yeah, there's just no. I won't even get into it. I'll just get to LXDE. I'll just skip to it. Whoa, it feels like we're back in the 90s or even 80s. First things first, desktop preferences. Can I change the how do I change the resolution? Can I go to settings? Is there a settings? Okay, settings. No, it's a system preferences. That's a software. What is puny computer? Desktop preferences. No, there's nothing called resolution in here. So wallpaper. Let's go again. Preferences, just desktop. What's this? Icon size, background, size. Okay, this is not it. What else is there? What is puny computer? It's like my computer, just puny. It looks, I think it feels more like Windows in a way. Like in a weird way, this feels so familiar. Oh, here you go. Monitor settings. What happens if I do auto? Oh my god, I lost it. Get back. 120 by 1080. Refresh rate. I don't want the auto. 60. Okay, done. You know what? I'll guess this doesn't take too much RAM. Okay, so let's see. Preferences. No, I think system. Let's go Q terminal. Htop. Really? It takes more? Wait a minute, I want to test. This shows me it's at 475. Is htop consistent? If I open up again, it shouldn't change too much, right? If I just, let's open console for example. Let's do Xfce terminal. If I do htop here, okay, so it is fairly consistent. Can I, oh no, it cannot. Okay, yeah, the tiling thing, there is no tiling thing. So you have to basically manually move thing. So 472, 474, yeah. So which terminal am I using doesn't matter that much, but yeah, it's like 450. We'll call it 450. But everything here is pretty light. Oh, it literally says lightweight X11 environment. That makes way too much sense. But yep, you failed. Enlightenment is lighter somehow. Oh, this menu is right. I would like to log out, my dear sir. Thank you. So we have LXDE, LXQt. Let's see. I think, which one is the successor? Is it LXDE or LXQt? Whoa. What is this? Please select a default window manager. Window manager for the KDE Plasma, Marco, lightweight, GTK lesson manager for Mate, a Muffin, Muter. There's a lot. How about I go Openbox since it has nothing written on it? Because it saw no one. Yeah, I actually chose Openbox. Okay, there is a few more things here now. I see power, no battery. Yeah, obviously there's no battery. Okay, this is from KDE. Oh my god, where is the desktop? Where is the desktop? Please do tell me where is it. How do I change my resolution, my good sir? Please do tell me where do I change my. Okay, there you go. Monitor settings. Oh, nice. There you go. So it kind of like took effects from everything. Like I think mostly it took from KDE because this looks like KDE. And let's see let's go Firefox. What does this look like? Okay, yeah. So I would say this mostly looks like KDE. If I do htop, okay, this I need to know something. How is this takes more RAM than Enlightenment? It is Xfce that lightweight. You know what? We're getting to Xfce. Enlightenment is like really light. How is it only running on 300 megabytes? I need to know. We need to know this. Please stick around. We have to know. So I have only 193, so it's only taking 560 RAM, and yeah, I won't even talk about CPU because I don't think it matters too much, and you guys can obviously see it, so there's no point into just kind of mansplaining it to you. Let me close this. Let's move on to the next step. Log out, yes, and then LXQt, change it to mate. Good day, mate. I think I have to have a British accent for this. Oh my god, could not apply the storage setting for monitors. Required buttons does not fit available size requested. Minimum 320, maximum. Okay, so does this mean it just died? Okay, it just died. You know what? Some of you may say that, okay, I could do this simple thing to fix it, this simple thing to fix it. But no, we are not here to fix things. We are here to see what happens when you install everything. So, let's try that again. You know what? I'll give you one more shot, mate. Nope, it ain't working. So, couldn't apply the settings. You know what? I won't fix it. If you want me to fix it and make another video, sure, let me know. So, whatever your heart desire you want me to do, just leave it in this comment. And trust me, I will definitely read it. So don't worry about what would happen if I will read it. No, I will definitely read it. I will even reply to you if you just leave a comment. Okay, so we have here KDE Openbox. Sure, let's open KDE Openbox. Let's see what that's all about. Oh, okay, so Openbox, Wayland, both of them has this issue right here. Yeah, both of them has this issue where it just pops up from the middle where it shouldn't be popping up. Why are you popping from the middle? You know what? I won't ask questions. I will actually not ask questions. I don't care this. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is special. We need Qt terminal. htop. Let's go. Bam. And it's 1 gigabyte. I think the thing we learned here today, guys, is no matter what window manager it's using, whether it's Openbox, whether it's, I don't know, KWin or like Xorg, Wayland, the main system is consistently using the same amount of memory. So you don't have to worry about window manager. Just pick one and go with it. Just think about your desktop environment. That is something you need to worry about. So yeah, it's pretty great. I'll bring it full screen so you can see everything. And for some of you like genius people who are watching, yeah, here's all the data you need. Please do let me know where I am wrong. I would highly appreciate, like I will actually appreciate if you just tell me you're wrong right here at this point. So it has. Wait, where did the bar go? What happened? My bar just died. Panel just died. Wait, edit mode? It doesn't go into edit mode? I didn't try this. Wait, why isn't it going in edit mode? What's happening? Yeah, it doesn't go to edit mode. Nice. Can I create files? Okay, at least that works. Okay, so it does work. So basically, I think some core system features break. You know what? I don't want to play in this cursed place for too long. Let's just log out. And yes, I won't go back. I won't give it a second chance. Oh, Openbox is a separate thing? What is Openbox? Hello? Whoa. Okay. I just right clicked and this came up. Openbox configuration manager. Failed. Can I do Xfce settings? Those are trials. Okay, that's good to know. Xfce terminal. Okay, we can open up a terminal. That's nice. Accessories, editor, GVim. What is GVim? I never heard of GVim. Let me click on it. Okay, no such file. Yeah, Firefox? Sure, Firefox opens. It uses the LXQt thing. Now, what I am trying to do, my good sir, is configure things. How do I change the resolution? Please, do tell me. GNOME Control Center? It didn't show an error, but it didn't work. KDE Control Center? Nope. Cups printer? Okay, how do I change the resolution? Do I have to go to terminal? Let me go to Firefox. How to, oh my god, I typed it wrong. How to change screen resolution in Openbox. I need to know. Xrender, is there utility? You do realize Openbox is not a text environment. Oh, that explains a lot. That is why I was so confused that why isn't it working? It's a window manager, and yes, we are not exploring window manager today. Plasma external whistle is sugar. Now this sounds sweet, and yes, pun intended. You don't have to laugh, but it is intended. Click to change color. Sure. What is this doing? Okay, the blue one was nice. Can I go back? No, I can't go black. No, not black. Back. I can't go back. Okay, what does this do even? Okay. Select grade. 4th grade, 5th grade, 7th grade, high school, adult. I am an adult. Although I do. What is this? Where am I? What are you? Okay, this is like shutdown system. My settings, register. Let's go to my settings. What is this? Where am I? Frame, keyboard, language, backup, and display. Let's see if I can find display. Nope, it's not here. Search in home. Let's go search for settings. There's no settings. What is this? Journal is empty. So there is no journal. Is it like some, okay, document folder is empty. What is this? How do I get out of this journal thingamajig? Oh, we can add project. What is this sugar thing? I just asked ChatGPT to give me a list. I think this is what I get for asking GPT. What is this? 16 megabytes free document. How do I close out of this? Can I do this? Control C. Does this work? No. The terminal. How do I open a terminal? Terminal. No matching entries. How do I get out of things? What? Yeah. How do I get out of this? Help. What is this start thing? Favorite entries. Projects. I mean, sure. What do I do here? I just made a project. Do I ask for help? Please help. I am stuck here. Any bro. Help. Help. Oh. Choose an activity to start. Please help. I'm stuck here. Any bro. Help. Wait. Change resolution and help me. There is no activity. There's nothing. Close it out. There's no help. You know what do we do when we can figure things out? Just turn it off. I will give it another chance. I will get to give it another chance to redeem itself. Let's see what it does with this another chance of his. Login failed. Oh my god. Now let us see. Okay. So I can't change color anymore. I can do next. I'm an adult. I cannot right click. This is to my settings. These are the only settings there are. Background. Let's just go with this. I mean, what is this? Oh, this is how much white it is. I mean, sure, I'll go with this. It looks nice. But what do you do here? And you know what? I'm frustrated. If any of you know what the heck this sugar thing is, please let me know. Let's go into UKUI. UKUI. I know there's something, probably a better meaning for this, but whoa. Okay. It looks. Oh, okay. What's happening to my mouse? Okay. Temporary computer. It looks, I would say, Windows-esque. Not Windows S. I'm going to settings. Bro, it's Windows 10. Personalize. Yep, it is definitely Windows 10. Device, system. You know what? Whatever I say, this looks, I mean, not bad. Yeah, it does look like Windows, but I don't say that's a bad thing. No, I'm starting to like this. I probably will use this. Is there a dark mode? If I go to okay. You know what? Respectable. But why can't I move the window around? How do I move a window around? Is this one of those? Wait, let me see. File manager. Yeah, I can't move the window around. How do I? It doesn't snap as well. Okay, if I do, it doesn't do full screen. So basically, window management is out the window. That isn't working. Computer desktop. Okay, computer. Yeah, I cannot do anything. Can I? Wait, you know what? I will again give it another chance. Just because it looks nice. I just logged out. Hello? Someone? Something? Why is it leaving me in the dark void? What's happening? What did I do? It is so weird. Yeah. It was going so well. You know what? I'll still give it another chance. Just to redeem itself. And it's small again. But okay, if it's small, can I now? You know what? No. the mouse doesn't work that way. It doesn't. Yeah, it breaks. I had so much hope for this, and I think logout just breaks as well. Yep, never mind. In case, like, if you're this point in the video, thank you for watching or staying at this far for this madness of a video that I am trying to make. But if you also are wondering how I'm closing it, this is what I'm doing. Just clicking this and it turns it off. Anyway, we have one more to go. The one, the only Xfce. Let's go. I clicked it. It doesn't go away. That's not a good sign. Maybe closing in. Oh, there's a rat. Nice. Okay. Let's take it slow. Desktop settings. And it's not the desktop settings I want, but we can change the wallpaper. You know what? Not this. Let's go with something abstract. Then we can go. How do I use this? Anyone? Please help. Settings. There is so many things. It's so hard to find stuff. Desktop. You know what? I just said that that's not the panel. And I go there for the first thing I do. Panel, window manager, display. Yeah, there you go. Display. Let us go to, bro, looking at this, I just remembered my Kali Linux days. Like, those were such a nice time. I'll just unplug this. But, oh, I forgot something. I didn't do HTOP in the last one. Anyway, we can go back. If I do HTOP here, watch me be mind blown. Nope, 546. How is, you know what, Enlightenment, how is Enlightenment so low? There's definitely something that I'm missing. You know what? I will check it again. But before that, yeah, close it. Let's see. Files and stuff. I mean, everything just works, I think, in here. Terminal emulator just works. File manager. I think this is Tuna. Yeah, Tuna. This is a pretty nice file manager because it's highly customizable. And everything is here. Applications, logout. Let's log out. Okay, so I didn't do HTOP for these two. Because one, I couldn't do it for this, and two, can I do it for this? Let's see. Watch it. Watch it be the highest or the lowest. I can't. Where's the terminal? My brother's terminal emulator. HTOP 675, 660. Respectable. Not quite good, but respect. Wait, this moves. Huh? Then why don't you move? What? This is really confusing. Oh, wait, if I do let's say, does this move? No, it doesn't move. I can't even resize it. You know what? Never mind. Just log out. So, I think that was about it. I did I don't know what came on to me, and I was like, oh, you know what? Anyway, I just was like, you know what? Let's just install every desktop environment and see what happens. And that's where this brainchild came up along, where I install every single desktop environment known to mankind. I will get back to Enlightenment and say, check if everything is working properly, or if it is actually the winner for this, I don't know, whatever competition this is. Sure. Let me just do this while I talk. So, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for being here. And if you didn't make it this far in the video, still thank you so much for being wherever the point you were. But I would do like to say that the people who do watch it till the end does allow me to make more videos, because as for YouTube's algorithm recently, it's like, it's not about like you just getting in the video and just leaving. It's about how long you watch the video. So it does help out every content creator out. But if you are like someone, like I get it, like the videos I make is mostly like people who need it, they watch it. So people who don't need it will obviously wouldn't watch it. And it's like the videos are not that entertaining. It's not the category of entertainment. It's more of a learning experience. So again, I do thank every one of you who stick around till the end to, I don't know, listen to me. So thank you so much. And why am I having such a hard time to find the console? You know what? Just go with console. Just let it. Okay, it's now at 4th. How did I manage 3:30 that time? That's weird. Well, anyway, this is not an official test, so there's probably 100 mistakes that I made, and you guys will probably let me know where I went wrong. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to the channel, man. You guys do not subscribe, just subscribe and leave a like. Goodbye. That's not it. Bye.